Welcome back to another tutorial from techie.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on your timeline within the Kdenlive video editor app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kdenlive application and you may open up your existing project or create a new one. Here I have an empty project that I just created. We can drag and drop media within the media section to use them in our projects. Then we can just drag and drop onto the timeline as well. Now that the clip has been added to the timeline, I can just right click on it and here we can find the change speed option. Go ahead and click on it, and now within the speed changing option, we can find the reverse clip menu. Click on this button and then click OK. This will now reverse the entirety of the clip. We can click on the play button to check out the preview. And here is the original video playing from the first order, as opposed to the one in the timeline that is playing in reverse. The transcoding process will take a while depending on the length of your video. And there you have it. That is how you can reverse a clip within your timeline on the Kdenlive video editor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.